Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Manny and Paul. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday Ate Mani and hello Papum. Yan. Putang ina.
Hi! Happy birthday, Mama Ne and Papom! Sino ba kasi kayo?
Happy birthday, Mama Ne. More blessing to kami, more birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Teka, sino ka nga ba? Kita binabate. Pangeta ka. Charis.
Happy birthday, Ate Manny and Papum. Enjoy your life. Yeah, that's all.
Hello, Ate Mani and Papom. Happy birthday po.
Yo, happy birthday Mama Ne and Papom. Sino po ba kayo? Good night.
Happy birthday sa tropa kong yan, dalawang yan, si Manny at si Paul. Sabi ko lang yan, ingat kayo lagi mga tropa kong yan. Miss na kayong jamming natin. Inuman tayo ulit. Bye-bye. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Tita Manilyn! Maligang mga aral! We wish you the best!
Maligayang kaarawan!
Maligang mga aral!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Mommy. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, Mane! Happy birthday! Tsaka gusto ko lang sabihin na kahit hindi na tayo palagi nagchat-chat o nagkakausap, ang mahalaga palagi kang nasa prayers ko o pak. Tsaka lagi mong tatandaan na palagi kitang naiisip at palagi kong dinadasal na sana laging nasa maayos ka. Kaya huwag kang charot-charot. Tsaka, ngayong birthday mo, wag kang sad girl! Visit ka.
Hello, good evening. Paul, Manny, happy birthday ha.
Happy birthday Manny, Paul. Sana Manny, matanggal ang sakit ng likod mo.
Happy birthday Manny. Paul, happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Mane. Happy birthday, Kuya Paul. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. More birthdays to come. God bless. Happy birthday.